Are you struggling with dandruff, itchy scalp, and constant hair fall? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a simple DIY hair mask using natural ingredients from your kitchen. This mask will not only control dandruff instantly, but also strengthen your hair roots and reduce hair fall. Stay tuned till the end because I'll also share pro tips on how to maintain a healthy scalp for long-term results. Dandruff is caused by a dry scalp, fungal infections, or even excess oil production. This leads to itchiness, flakiness, and eventually weakens the roots, causing hair fall. Instead of spending thousands on chemical-based treatments, you can fix this naturally with a hair mask that deeply nourishes your scalp and keeps dandruff away. Yogurt, curd, 3 tablespoons rich in lactic acid, balances scalp pH, fights dandruff causing fungus, conditions hair and adds shine. Neem powder and fresh neem paste, 2 tablespoons natural antifungal and antibacterial. Heals scalp infections and reduces itching. Aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons soothes scalp irritation. Strengthens hair follicles and reduces breakage. Coconut oil, 1 tablespoon deeply moisturizes scalp. Reduces dryness and flakiness instantly. Lemon juice, 1/2 tablespoon, optional. Controls excess oil and dandruff flakes. Adds freshness to the scalp. These simple ingredients work together like magic. They don't just give instant relief from dandruff and itchiness, but also improve scalp health in the long run. Take 3 tablespoons yogurt in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons neem powder or paste. Mix in 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel. Add 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Finally, squeeze 1/2 teaspoon lemon juice. Blend everything into a smooth, creamy paste. Apply this mask directly on your scalp, covering roots to tips. Massage gently for 2 to 3 minutes so the nutrients penetrate deeply. Leave it on for 30-40 minutes and then wash off with a mild sulfate-free shampoo. Use this mask once a week for best results. Avoid scratching your scalp, it worsens dandruff. Wash hair 2 to 3 times a week to keep scalp clean. Stay hydrated. Dry scalp increases dandruff. Eat protein-rich food and omega-3s for stronger hair. Avoid too much heat styling and harsh chemicals. Remember, external care works best when combined with a healthy lifestyle. This DIY mask will give instant relief, but consistency is the key to long-term dandruff-free, strong, and shiny hair. So that's it, guys! This simple DIY hair mask for dandruff and hair fall is a game changer. Try it out and let me know your results in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more natural skincare and hair care remedies. See you in the next video!